Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi i-ANC ayikho ekufihlayo ngamalunga ayo akuloluhlu. Angaphezu kwekhulu amalunga e-ANC angavunyelwanga ukuthi abe yingxenye yalo.
There's nothing that is fudged or put under the carpet and not been addressed by the National Executive Committee.
I-ANC ithole ukugxekwa ngokuthi kunabantu abavela kumbiko wekhomishana kaZondo eyayiphenya ngeinsolo zokubhuzonyelwa kombuso abavelayo futhi kuloluhlu.
We supported that our members who are implicated in their own individual right must appear before the Zondo Commission. And Zondo has made specific recommendations about individuals that they must be investigated. If people are arrested, the ANC will act on that like we have done.
Inhloko yekhomishana yezokhetho ku-ANC uKhalema Mohlanze uthi Iyalwethemba uhlu lwabantu abazomela i-ANC ephalamende. Uthi ke lolu hlobo lwabantu abaqokiwe luyafana ncamashi nolwango-1994.
If you take your time to go through the list now, you'll realize that it's very close to, in terms of experience and qualifications, very close to what we had in 1994.
Kusenjalo iqembu i-Action SA lethule abantu abasha abazomela ephalamende emva kokhetho. Kubo kubalwa u-Athol Trollip owabe eyimeya yaseNelson Mandela Bay ngaphansi kweqembu i-DA.